Hello, this is the smallest plugin I've ever written and probably ever will, although it's inspired me to some ideas that I might have a few more minimalist plugins. But this WordPress plugin is a very short piece of code, and basically all it does is allow you to put your Google Search Console meta tag into your website so you can verify yourself with Google Search Console. And for those that are curious, I'm going to tell you now how it works. The biggest part of the plugin is actually doing nothing to help us. It's just announcing itself to WordPress. So this section I just highlighted is all about giving data to WordPress so that we can list it in the plugin directory so you can see it when you list your plugins. And the one you'll really see will be the description and the plugin name. The code that we need to put in is this line here. That's all we need to keep Google happy, and you just need to change the bit of code here, which is going to be what I would call the serial number that you'll grab from Google Search Console when you go to create your link to your website. So it'd be like this. And you can probably notice that that code's the same because this is the example I used. Now, all we need to do then is we need to put in a function, which is a way of gathering code together. And then we need to ask WordPress to run that function for us. So there's the name of the function. There's the name of the function there. And here's the add action, which is asking WordPress to run the function for us. And we want the function to be used in WP head, because we want it to be seen in the head at the top of our web page. And then the other little trick I've got is I put the number 1 here. Now that's a priority number, and I've made it the lowest priority possible because I want it to be executed as early as possible so we can see it at the very top of the code. Other people will want to put higher numbers here so their code gets executed last, so they have priority over everybody else. I don't need that. I need it to be early as possible, and that's why there's a 1 there. And that is a very simple and very quick piece of code. Without these little tags, we'd have to cut and paste this in different ways. So those tags are allowing us to put in the HTML in pure code. These lines here of code are exactly the same ones that you would put in your functions.php, which would do exactly the same thing, except functions.php is running from the theme, and the theme says the same thing. It says, "Dear WordPress, here's a function. Thank you very much. And now I'd like you to perform this action that in the WP head, please use my function." And it works exactly the same whether it's in this very, very simple plugin or it's in your functions.php for your theme. So thank you very much for those that are interested.
For more info, visit wpbusinessclub.com.